Once you've downloaded Sage 50 accounts, locate the Sage installation file. This will usually appear in your Downloads folder. To start the installation, double-click the downloaded file. You'll then be presented with the two installation types. To install only the data service on a server computer without installing the full Sage 50 accounts program, select Data Service Only. To install the full Sage 50 accounts program to the default location, which is the recommended installation type, select Sage 50 accounts. Once you have chosen the install type, click to accept the terms of the license agreement and start the install. Once the installation is complete, you have two options. To open the software immediately, click Launch Sage 50 accounts, or to open the software later, click Close. You've now successfully installed Sage 50 accounts. It's now time to add a company.